Noni likes watermelon. Ooh, don't bite my finger, pitbull. Do not bite my finger, pitbull. No, you can't have that. Have this part. Thank you for not biting my finger. He's so cute. And she has her pride. Pride handkerchief scarf on. He's so pretty, Noni. You want more? Are you done? You good? You're so funny. Ooh, you're so human. Till you bite my finger. Well, even humans bite, so. You're so smart. Jackie? Okay. Are you done yet? I know it's hard because you can't eat the rind part. No, you can't. Only the red. Yeah, if she's a human, I think she knows colors. So, this red, just the red part, Noni. Not the white or the green part. I don't know if you know colors, but seems to. Noni, so cute. Noni loves her fruit. Blueberries too.